Hi guys, and welcome to my review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So I've got the Buds for right about a week now, and I thought why not do a little review for my experience in this time. So this is the box again, as you saw in the unboxing, which is also linked up there, I think up there or on the other side. And here is how they look out of the box. I got them in Mystic Bronze, and just as a first little thing, I really like the color. So as you can see, they are pretty shiny and reflective, and sadly they are also very prone to fingerprints, but all in all I really like how they look. I also really like the sound of the Buds Live, and I think they've gone back to only one driver in each earbud, while on the Galaxy Buds Plus they had two drivers in each earbud. But in my opinion the Buds Live sound better. So I've had the original Buds, I've had the Buds Plus, and now I also own the Buds Live. And in my opinion the Buds Live sound the best of each of them, but the differences are minimal, so there's not a huge sound difference between the original Buds and the Buds Live, and the Buds Plus are somewhere in between them, so there's not that much difference between the models. Other than the previous two models, the Buds Live also have active noise cancelling built in, so that's a huge plus in my opinion, even though the noise cancelling isn't the best, of course. So you have this shape right here, maybe. This little bean shape, and of course those can't seal off your ear canals perfectly, since there's no rubber pad in the front which go into your ear. It's kind of like the original AirPods. So your ears aren't perfectly sealed off, but it helps, of course. So I found that if you have some slight background noises, it can filter them out very nicely, so like a car in the distance or something. But if you have like an AC right next to your desk or something, then you obviously will hear them, and the ANC on earbuds is no match to ANC over-ear headphones. Of course, they're over-ear, they seal the ear off a lot better, and they also have bigger drivers, so it's not really a comparison. But the ANC and the sound, they work pretty well once you have put them in your ear correctly, so when they're fitting your ear perfectly. And that brings me to my next point. So Samsung never really gave any instructions on how to correctly put them into your ear. Of course they have pictures and stuff, like how they have to be in the end, like how to wear them in the end, but it took me some time to figure out how to put them into this position the right way. And in the end I found a forum post by another user, and he gave some instructions on how to put them in. And now I want to give my knowledge over to you. So to fit them into your ear perfectly, you take them out of your case, of course, So I got the right one in my hand. Maybe you can see me. You take your earbud and place them into your ear like this, with the end facing straight upward, and then you just rotate to the back, and then they kind of like snap into the right place. Of course it's not a real snap or something, but you feel a nice resistance when they're in the real place, in the right place. And yeah, as you can see, that's how it's supposed to go in. And of course you can do the same with the left one. So place them into your ear, the end facing straight upwards, and then just rotate it until it's fit into your ear, like this. And this also brings me over to my next point, which is if you have to adjust them a lot, or you don't get it right the first or even the second time to put them into your ear correctly. In my case, my ears start to hurt. I think that's because there's, as I already said, no rubber at the front of the earbuds. So yeah, if you have to adjust them a lot and stuff, my ears start to hurt a little bit. This pain wears off once you have them in the correct place, of course, but that's just something to keep in mind. And also, while you're putting them into your ear or adjusting them, it's pretty easy to activate the touch controls so that the music starts playing or stops or whatever. And another nice transition, the touch controls overall I think are nice. They're pretty responsive, so 1 tap, 2 taps to skip the track, 3 taps, and there's touch and hold, which you can personalize in the Galaxy Wear app. So once you have the earbuds in your ear perfectly, they fit very nicely. So I never had any problems with them falling out or something while walking or slide running. I sadly didn't have the opportunity yet to test them while working out, but just with everyday use, like sitting at the desk or standing up, walking somewhere, going to the store, stuff like that, I never had any problems with them not fitting in my ear or not staying in place. And yeah, I think that's a very nice plus. So with the other 2 models, the Buds and the Buds Plus, I always, after maybe 5 to 10 minutes, I had to push them back into my ear. And yeah, I don't have this problem with these ones. Another problem that I had, or it's not really a problem, it's just something minor that I noticed. So the ear recognition sometimes fails. So in my ear works perfectly, never had any issues. Out of my ear, sometimes the music just doesn't stop, and they only stop the music once I put them into their case. But yeah, it's just a minor inconvenience. Maybe a software update can fix that. So all in all, I think the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are a nice pair of earbuds, and I think they're worth their price, especially now since the price has dropped since the release. And yeah, I really don't regret buying them yet. And I say yet because with the other 2 models, like the original Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Buds Plus, with both models I had the issue that after roughly 1 month after I bought them, they broke. So the the original buds, I sent them in to repair them. Some weeks later they broke again, and so on. And this is basically what I did for, I think maybe a year now. Then I thought to myself, just buy the new Buds Plus and maybe they fix this problem, but they didn't. And after again roughly 1 month of use, they broke again, and luckily my warranty didn't run out, so I could just give them back and get my full refund. And now I really hope they fix this problem with the new Buds Live. All in all, I can really recommend these earbuds, and I don't regret buying them. But you have to find the right way how to wear them. So with that being said, I thank you very, very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I could help you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.